So my EDC 6-in-1 pocket knife multi-tool showed up today. And following the instructions on the fine video, I tried to put it together. So basically, you pop that little tab right there where my right thumb is, and you push this out. Okay, then you flip it over and you open that tab one more again, so you can slide the little brass piece out. Okay, then you take your fancy little included utility blade and line that up on there so it's set just so, and then you put it all back together again. Okay, unfortunately all these little spring-loaded doohickeys don't spring-load so well, so yeah, I'm trying to keep that all on the camera so everybody can see it at the same time. Okay, so we got the notch lined up. Pop that back, and there we go. So, okay, here we are in. And in. And, okay, little tip is supposed to lock back there, and it doesn't. Push the button, push the button. Oh, okay, it's locked. Hear that? Hear that? We're trying to push this out. Okay. You take a little screwdriver, the back of a screwdriver blade here. Yeah, you really can't see that, can you? It takes everything I have to push that out. And push it back in. Okay. In order to get this all back apart again, I got to pull my fancy tools out. Okay, it goes in fairly well, but then it binds. Oh, and I stab myself. But you see how much, hear that? You can see that, how difficult it is to get open, maybe, I hope. And closing it back up again, forget about it. Get your fancy, pull my screwdriver back, and there, locked. Neat little gadget, but I bought one of these for my wife, and there's no way in hell she can make use of this. What I did to it, thinking that maybe a little lubricant would help, I put some of this extended or whatever fancy weapons lube on it. Same stuff I use on my auto-loading pistols. It causes them to run perfectly. It's just not working here. Seems to me there's some machining issues there somewhere. It appears that the blade is catching or grinding or something there in that channel. Not so good.